What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to talk about fixing or repairing a cracked television screen, LCD or LED TV screen. I get calls all day long about cracked screens, and the truth is you cannot fix them. And I'm going to tell you why in a second. But you get calls all day long. Even on my website it says, this is for you consumers out there. Even on my website it says, my advertising site where people actually call me and find me online, it says right there in big bold letters, please no calls on cracked screens. Every other TV repair that I know that's on the net, work for themselves or whatever, same thing. No cracked screens. People call anyway. I don't know what it is. They just, I don't know, they don't read, or they just like, it's desperate, or they just want to make sure. And I can always tell, I got so good, I get so many calls a day, man, on cracked screens. I'm gonna say I'll maybe get about 50 phone calls a day, from like, 8 in the morning to like 8 at night. People asking questions about TVs, and about, I don't know, 25 or 20 of them are cracked screens, or sometimes more than that. And I can always tell when somebody calls. Before I even say it, I can always tell, because most of the time it's some young lady, probably in their 20s or early 30s. You hear kids in the background, and then I answer the phone. I say, hello, TV repair. They say, oh, hey, how you doing? Y'all fix TVs? I'm like, okay, what you got, a cracked screen? Right? And then, anyway, yeah, there's nothing you can do with a cracked screen. They don't sell used screens, because if the screen is good, why would they sell the whole? When they just fix the TV and sell the TV? Okay, that's the only time that the TV would be garbage, if the screen is cracked. So, and the reason they don't sell screens, or you can't buy screens, okay, they don't sell the screens by themselves, is because I was reading an article probably about 2 or 3 years ago, and there was one manufacturing LCD screens, and they were saying that they're so expensive to make. They say that when they make the screens and they test them, they say only 1 out of 3 is good. That means 1 out of 3 screens they manufacture, I guess they test it when it comes off the line. It's probably got a pixel in it, a line, and there's nothing you can do with it after that. You just have to throw it away. That's just money wasted. And another reason why they don't sell the screens is because the screen is the most expensive thing on the TV. When you buy a television, think about it. What are you buying? You're buying plastic. You're buying plastic, okay, on the outside. Plastic stand, it probably costs maybe like $5 to make, from the manufacturer. You got a little metal plate on the inside to separate the screen from the, we have to mount the circuit boards. So that might be about $10. Who knows? I don't know. And then the circuit boards themselves, and you think about a company's manufacturing circuit boards all day long, and they got machines doing that. The circuit boards are probably costing them, between $5 and $20 to make. Okay, so you got a $1,000 television, maybe you got a 55-inch, you paid $1,000 for it. Okay, if the screen breaks, or if they sold the screen, guess how much they have to sell the screen for? Right, like $700-800, right? And then they don't want a chance doing that, because guess what? You're gonna get the screen, you're gonna take it out the box, you're gonna pick it up, you're gonna be bending it and stuff, and then you put it all on the TV. And supposedly hook it up, it's going to be cracked, and then you're going to call them and say, y'all sent me a cracked screen. So that they're not going to deal with all that. So, just buy the whole TV, okay? It's better that way, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I mean, on a cell phone, okay? Now, these screens are much smaller, all right? So those are most likely, most of these are available, okay? And, but for an LCD, 50-inch or 40-inch, I mean, you're talking about like, hundreds of dollars just for the screen, you know what I'm saying? Then you got to pay somebody to put it in there for you, right? So this is what you do for a cracked screen. You get in your car, drive around, find one of those nice, what do you call them, stores like Walmart or Target, and just go buy your TV. That's all you can do. Stop calling TV repair guys, read, and it'll say no cracked screens. And stop asking why y'all don't fix them. Y'all supposed to be a TV repair shop and all this and all that. So I go through it all day long, every day. So, all right. Thanks for watching. Big Dog out. TV Repair. Can I help you?
Hi. Do you fix TV?
Yes, we sure do.
I'm having a problem with my TV. I have an LG. It's a 42-inch. It has a whole lot of blue lines in it.
Blue lines in it.
Yeah.
Something happened to it, or?
Yeah, I probably bumped it.
You bumped it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, yeah, your screen's probably cracked, ma'am.
Oh, you don't fix cracked screens?
No, we sure no. You can't fix a cracked screen.
Oh. Do you have any other suggestions?
Well, what you can do is just put it in your car and probably just ride around until you find a big garbage can dumping in and just buy you a new one.
Okay, thank you. You enjoy the rest of your evening.
You too. Okay, bye-bye.